In this video, you are going to learn how to make the perfect butter cookies. In a clean bowl, you are going to add in your margarine or your butter. You are going to add in your sugar to it. Then the next thing you are going to add is your powdered sugar, which is your icing sugar. Then you're just going to mix that till it's fluffy. In another bowl, you are going to combine all the dry ingredients together. So you are going to be combining the flour and the cornstarch or the corn flour, then you are going to add in a pinch of salt to it. Then you are just going to stir that together. And the next thing you are going to do is to add in your dry ingredients into your wet ingredient. Then you are just going to give that a mix. Then you are going to mix it and form a dough with it. So you're just going to sprinkle some flour in your table. This is just to make sure that your dough is not sticking to your work surface. Then we have two methods. You can either use your rolling pin to roll it, or you just use your hand to press it down. I'm going to be showing you the two methods. So this is my cookies cutter. I have different shapes. You can use any shape that you want. Then I'm just going to be cutting it out like this. Now for the second method, I'm just going to sprinkle some flour on my work surface, and I'm just going to press it down like this. Then once I'm done pressing it, I'm just going to make sure all the sides are equal. Then I'm going to put in my cookies cutter. Then I'm going to use it to cut out the different shapes. Now once I'm done, I'm just going to bake this for about 10 to 15 minutes on medium heat. Now after baking, this was the outcome.